weeks 10, 11, 12, and maybe even we'll say 13, which rounds out 3 months of rehab for my rotator cuff surgery in my left arm that I have in the description below. This is a video for myself to document my journey. But again, I say this every time, if it helps you, a family member, or a friend, great. I have comments that people are making, and I'm glad that I've been able to kind of help you or kind of make you feel better that I've gone through the same thing. Maybe I'm just ahead or behind you in your process, or you're just starting your rotator cuff surgery and rehab. So I am super happy. I finally can say I'm glad I had the surgery. I'm sleeping better. I'm not sleeping perfect. I can't sleep on this left side yet, but when I lay flat, I don't have any problems. When I lay on this other side, I don't have to sleep with a pillow or anything anywhere, holding anything up. I can kind of let this arm just, be either side of me. Some of the things I have noticed that I can do now too is just lift the arm. I can go to the side. I can reach behind my back much farther. And somewhere in, I think it was week 11 to 12, I could put a ponytail in my own hair, which if you have longer hair is amazing that you can do that. I can wash my hair with both hands. My pain is probably only like a 3. I barely ever take any Tylenol or Advil anymore. And yeah, so it's been pretty good. I did find though that I had a lot of pain here and in my back, and I made another video about tips and products to use, but this has kind of probably been the best little thing, kind of as a ball that rolls around, and then I can just kind of massage that area. I was super tight, I think, from wearing that sling, and the elbow's better, the shoulder's getting better, but I had a lot of referred pain here and in my back, and I've been noticing that that's common for a rotator cuff surgery. The other thing I'm doing now is I'm using more weights when I'm laying down. I even draw what's called the ABCs, and you can just fill a water bottle. That'll be 1 pound, and I do that with, I pick the water bottle up like this, or at an angle to the side, or I lay down and draw like literally A, B, C. The other thing I've been doing too is bringing it back and going like this with it. Now this bottle's empty. Or even kind of like leaning over and doing like a butterfly type arm movement up straight like that. I have moved on finally to 2 pound weights. You could just use a bigger water bottle. So again, what I would do with the 2 pound weights is I have, these exercises that I can do. And then again, I can do these. It's kind of cool finally be lifting actual weight with that arm. Besides, my range of motion is really good. I've met all the goals. So like the one that you lean back, I'm already at 90 now. Behind my back, I'm at 170, I think. And so all of those are good. The only one that's having a little hard time is kind of pushing it this way, but that'll come in time. And this one I still have a ways to go. So like this arm, I can make it go way far back on my back, like that. This one is getting there, okay? But that's about it. So those are kind of the big things for me in this 3rd total month of rehab. So weeks like 10 through 13-ish. So I think from now on, I'll just start titling these the months that they're at. So 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, out to 12 when I get to say I'm fully healed. My doctor said that it's likely that I'm 25% healed. So I have to be very careful. He did give me the go-ahead to maybe bike on flat area. Otherwise, I've just been hiking and walking a lot for my own physical fitness and lifting my big weights. I can move up to like 5 pounds at some point, so I have a 3 pound weight ready to go. All right, as always, I stay positive and patient. I made myself some bracelets, and my daughter's bracelet, which is being completely worn down, that says, stay happy. And I hope if you're watching these videos, you do the same and kind of be encouraged by my progress. If you're behind me, that you will get here too. And it'll be worth it. And like I said, it took me until about 12 weeks, 11, 12 weeks for me to say it's really worth it. The other thing is I have really big gains in my range of motion in these last few weeks, just from being able to move and use my arms mildly, again, with under the 5 pound limit. All right, good luck, and I'll catch you in another month if you're watching them.